ngihambela shoni langawe oh yeah.
Uma umuntu wesifazane ozigcinile awubinayo imizwa yokufuna kusho ukuthi njengoba yila into enayo into ehlula abantu abaningi even nasebesilisa
reality says kuyenzeka and kukhona lento ekuthiwa i-oral sex and nana. Yeah, but it's not allowed. It's not allowed ukusoma because uzosoma nomuntu ongazi ukusoma bese siyahlalisisa.
Angithi into engisho ukuthi ngizakuvumelana nawe ukuthi i-reality isekutheni LaConco kuyenzeka. Ngoba abantu bazothi kwasekudalweni kwakusona uzokwazi ukusoma bakhona abafowethu labamala ukuthi ukusoma bayakwazi ngoba lokho nathi usifundisa kufanele kuqale sidlule kuyona LaConco ethi inkomo kamama manje uyidedela mabe sekunjani ngoba abanye bazothi uma ngabe selobonile.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Izimbali, and if you're new here, if you're not new, thank you love, thank you Pube, thank you sweetheart, thank you my love, you know the vibe here. So today I'm going to a camp. Let me not rush. Please like this video, drop a comment down below. I know you will definitely comment because this content is interesting. You'll be interested if you enjoy a vibe, African culture, tradition, and whatever. You'll definitely enjoy this video. Please do subscribe. Anyways, I'm about to pack my stuff. Here's my mini suitcase over there, and here's the stuff I'm going to put inside. Okay, imvunulo, if you don't know what imvunulo is, it is a traditional attire that we wear. It differs for every ethnic group, you know, because we're a vibe over here, diversity and whatever, so we're a lot. But I'm going to put on traditional beads, Zulu traditional beads, and I bought a material because I didn't want to wear iskeke, so I bought this material. I'm gonna use this as a skirt and something to cover up my boobs. Yeah, because I will definitely cover up my boobs. I will put this stuff in my suitcase just now and a request. Okay, forgive me immensely. This is ubuhlalu. This is ubuhlalu beads. Yeah, man, I guess you'll see ukuthi ini iyapi when I'm dressing up tomorrow. but this is basically what I'll be wearing with this. I hope kuzohamba amakhombo I communicate. Let me guys, I want to show copyright. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys what's inside here. It's a very beautiful crown that and crowns did this for me. Should I show you guys on but anyways, here it is. It is so cute. Let me see lighting, give them up. Okay, I think this side. Neighbor crown number words. So I'm about to leave now. I was checking bolts, yo guys. So for me to the lighting is so bad. Let me just bounce. I was checking bolts because what do I want to say? All the prices, it's 400 for me to go from here to Midrand, but I think it's because it is rush hour right now, so yeah, that's why the price is high, but it's fine guys. I want to do something, but I forgot what is it that I want. I wanted to take something. I wanted to take something, but I really forgot what is it that I'm forgetting. No, it's fine. Let me go. I'll see you.
It's fine. And then zolala nomnge wakho kuwona, all right, and then zobeka ikhwama, then bese ngiqedile ukubeka ikhwama nithi ukurelaxa kancane, angazi noma nizo refresh ngizoba naso yini isikhathi sokudebela imisha ngazi, bathi kukunina noma nibamba still water because idomba siphuza amanzi opompi. Yeah still water, and then emva kwalokho bese niyarelaxa, and then we're gonna have our dinner, and then mase sisuthi kahle eziswini zethu siyayiqala icamp yethu, ingoma ukudla ingevu yazi siyakhana kumnandi. It's a matter of few steps sesilala emarumeni. So siyabonga kakhulu kuLouisville for hosting us. Okay, so qala ke Gambusha, you take your key and then nomnge wakho bese lapho so uzobona inamba. So na amaroom laphana kunenamba zakhona.
It's not corona.
It's fine. We're here, child. Tell me what's this, honey? What's this LaConco? Child of God. Thank you so much. And thank you for the water.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah. See? Aya, njani ma?
Wena wasizolala wethu.
Ngiyabonga.
Thatha 15 seconds.
Okay.
Okay, hamba uchecka ngale. Khona ususofa ophethe isikhwama sami ofaka itop white.
Okay.
Uyozokhombisa iroom yakho.
Okay, sis, ngiyabonga. Sanibonani. Uzan? Inside, so I'm not sharing with anyone. Sis LaConco, said I'm not sharing. So when you walk in, it's a passage with these beautiful tiles, 2 couches or chairs. No, it's chairs, not couches. 2 chairs here. You know, I think this place is definitely for lovers. And when you open here, it's a window. I don't have to open it. And then this cute coffee table. This mirror situation right here. And I guess this is the space to keep your things, obviously. The cupboard space. They have a blanket in here in case it gets cold, obviously. Yeah. And this is also a window, a TV, and this bird. My bad. And when you walk up here, this is so cute and simple. When you walk up here, there's the toilet. This is such a cute base, and I don't want to lie to you guys. Super cute. The toilet, and we have this shower. Oh, it's so huge, child. It is huge. Yeah, I can hear the other girls laughing from the other side. Let me see. I'm not far from them. I'm just here, but I'm not sharing. That's what I love the most. They having fun taking pictures and whatever. Change of plans. Sis Nonkani so just told me to dress up because we'll take pictures now. So I have to change. And yeah, we're gonna be cute. I wanna charge my phone, but I also wanna vlog. So I'm so undecided. But let me charge my phone so that you guys can see what's going on. Lapaya mosquito. But we're going to have dinner in a few. I'm so excited. You guys, the mangi element, I might get this excited. Let me dress up. I'll put you guys somewhere, ne? Yeah. Okay, guys, so they just called us. Don't look at that mess. I don't know where to put you guys, but I'm just saying, alhamdulillah, they're already outside. And I'm still here trying to dress up. Oh, okay. Me right now. You're hoping that my content was bulat. Sure. Okay. I think I'm okay like this. I'll fire it tomorrow. Because, child, I don't have time. I can say. I need my tripod.
So this is just to say good evening and kuseLouisville lana. So njengoba sizoqala usuku bethu it's #women empowerment conversation #Louisville Lodge #your name because just in case someone efuna ukugooglisha. Just in case someone wants to Google you.
Yeah, but
Googleable. And then Maiden's camp, ubusuku bonke namhlanje.
Hero.
And then what is the nice thing that you like about your crush?
The crush does.
Hold on. It crush wasn't ours. I like dating on the crush. Hold on. Access celebrity. But you was celebrating as a crush. Oh my goodness. Alright. So, guys, their crushes. Because I want to realize now, what was a crush? So, do you think it's a possibility that you can date your crush?
Isizathu esingenze kuze kube manje kube ngisazigcinile uNkulunkulu unomona ngomlomo bami unesikhwele lesi esibeyond ngithe emangabe ngino-23 ngathi at-24 if I have a boyfriend I'll give myself to kodwa ukuthi uNkulunkulu waye umuntu bami uyisilengiso yini kuwe ukuthi ungangekelela ngenelo madimoni ocansi like ngempela I got to a point where I was mad at God ukuthi why is he letting a madimoni ocansi abusunzima wami and then ngokuhamba okay ngafasta ngathandaza hayi lento ayihambi shame every man futhi manje iyenzeka and then isikhathi la ngahlala phansi noncane bathi ncane understand ukwenzakalani why kumele ngizizwe engazi ukuthi ngiyamazi umuntu wesilisa yet angikaze ngihlangane nomuntu wesilisa so wathi ncane ukuthi ungane uvela kuhleke nje babe namhla bathi leyo umzimba wakho utshela ukuthi ukube awuseyona into kunezinto engabe sezenzeka and into le okumele uyamukele ukuthi izokwenzeka either before or after isikhathi sakho senyanga so ke ungalinge nje uzitshela ukuthi amadimoni la uphethe ama-hormones akho ayakubonisa ukuthi umuntu wesifazane and yonke into ekuwe iyafunctiona ngendlela uNkulunkulu akakulela ukuthi ifunctione ngayo so ungakhathazeki uma ngabe uzwa ngale makusondela iy'nsuku okanye after iy'nsuku zakho uzizwe ungazi ukuthi nje excited for no reason okanye excited as if sewuyazi
So, mawuyintombi iyenzeka usinulala. Ube naje. Abawele ngayo. I want to mangabe uyintombi uyigcinile awulangazeleli
kulacona ukuthi ngine-ex okwamanje and ngisadinga nje space sami ukuthi ngibe ready for whatever uNkulunkulu has planned. So kuyenzeka ukuthi ubone umuntu wesilisa, I'm sure sonke la sinezinto othi uma uyibheka emzimbeni womuntu wesilisa uthi I love imlenze umuntu wesilisa.
Umuntu angasuka ukuthi uma uwumuntu wesifazane ozigcinile awubi nayo imizwa yokufuna. Kusho ukuthi njengoba lila into enayo into ehlula abantu abaningi even nasebesimini.
When I was very sober and ready. Ingoma, kube kuthoka ingoma njengomama guys. Angazi asicale ndani, nani mesingomama. Asishayeni. Kuyakhumbuleka, you know, the gatherings, it's the chats, ukufulula, musumama uvulula njalo, you know what I mean? But that's the only thing that you come across about this was like nangizwa sizamhla ukuthi sikumemule embali ukuba hey yazi nje ubetha kuyamulela emuva. Never had that. And I do understand that the journey that I lived or the life that I've lived, it was meant to happen to become the person that I'll become in the future. There's no regrets, there's no what. So I want to move to this side. So Yolanda, you are living rather in times of social media. You are living in times, you are basically
Kufanele kuqale sidlule kuyona kaCoco lethi inkomo kamama manje uyidedela mabe selinjani, ngoba abanye bazothi uma ngabe selobonile hayi cha usuka kancane. Abanye bazothi hayi kufanele ngiqale kufanele size sigide noma ucaca. So ubuserious ke bomuntu wesilisa ngobaba, ubuserious ukubona ngokuthi umuntu ayikhokhele inkomo kamama bakwethu. Mayengakayikhokheli nje, mangisho ukuthi uyikhokhele ngisho ukuthi bayibize ekhaya, usetshengisa ubuserious lo. Ngithe kuwena uba serious umuntu wesilisa mangabe sezenjani esafuna uyohlezi serious, kodwa ubuserious bakhona buconfirmwa uma ngabe senze njani, esethe LaConco nayo incwadi hambisa ekhaya. Nakhona kusho ukuthi ngeviki esebhala incwadi usukhetha inkomo kamama cha. Yofanele ayishiye ekhaya. Akhokhe ayishaya elele nekamama. Eselobo uyabona